Hey guys, welcome to Yoshi Family. Mama and I are doing a trip to Arizona. I'm going to Arizona for work.
Oh, good.
Bringing her along with me. She's going to hang out with my bestie while I work. And I'm recording this late.
Wow.
We actually just got to Arizona.
Wow.
Got this van full of stuff.
Wow.
So I will record when I can, show you the dogs, of course. But yeah, we'll be showing you. I'll be here for a few days here in Arizona.
Nice. Love you.
Okay, so what is Alex?
This one is cinnamon sugar raisin sourdough.
So Alex had just started making sourdough. What is this, your fifth loaf? Fourth loaf?
This is my fourth, I think. Yeah.
Fourth loaf.
But it's my first loaf using my own starter.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So let's see.
So lucky me, I get to try it. Oh
perfect.
my god.
It's literally perfect.
It's amazing. She's talented. Wait
Oh
till
my
you see, you
God.
guys. Her business will be starting soon. You guys can order it from Dorothy.
Yeah,
Dorothy.
This one
That's
is
for Dorothy.
Dorothy. And
Oh
here's
my
my starters.
Yeah, let's see the starters.
Okay. So this is Dorothy.
That's Dorothy.
That's who we baked with.
That's
She's
yours.
alive. She's alive in there.
Wow, she's alive and you feed her.
Yeah, feed her every day.
That's so cool.
And then this one is Dobra Winfrey. So Rob's mom sent me this one, and she's
Wow,
alive
that's crazy.
too.
It's so cool. That's so awesome. So Alex and Nadia made dinner. So was it turkey? Did you say turkey?
Turkey tenderloin.
Tenderloin. And then I got to get the recipe for this because I got to make these potatoes. Alex makes some crispy potatoes.
Crispy potatoes, yeah.
They look so good. I already tried.
Soft on the inside.
So good. And then green beans. And I got ketchup. You like it?
Love it.
It's not focusing on her. It's blurry. Yummy.
Okay.
14. What, mint?
Yeah. Mint.
Mint. Mint. So the next morning, we played Scrabble. Yes, I won. Yeah, we just woke up. Alex is at yoga right now. She'll be home soon. Oh, they're saying good morning.
Good morning.
They're saying good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Oh, so cute. Oh, man. Okay, so Alex made us breakfast. We got eggs, this chicken sausage that we eat at home, the Amy Lou, and then this is her homemade sourdough cinnamon raisin bread. I gotta try it. Let's read on my Kindle, and look how cute her mug is. So cute. We got Mama here having breakfast. We just went for a walk. I'm not working till this afternoon, so we went for a walk. I didn't bring my phone, but it's a beautiful day here in Arizona. Ooh, look at this. Alex got the fruit tree. Went for a walk with the dogs, and I gotta see beans. Let me show you beans. There's beans. See, I haven't seen beans. What did I step on? Make sure I don't step in the caca. What you doing, beans? Sunbathing. His house over there. What you doing, beans? You sunbathing? He's like, leave me alone, Larry. Hey, Alex just met him. Alex, what are these?
Dandelion greens.
Dandelion greens. So cute. What are you doing? You're the protector, huh, Clover? You're the protector. Came over. Protector. So cute.
Can you pop? Boy. Bang! Bang! Bang!
Bang. Oh, he's so smart. Oh my gosh. He's a smart boy. Hey guys, I gotta sneak this in real fast because we're waiting to order, but look at this. Cafe Rio drive-through. It's a first for me.
Alright, man, you said a burrito, right?
Okay, so we got Cafe Rio. I got the burrito because I haven't eaten since breakfast. I didn't eat lunch, so I'm hungry. So I got the steak burrito, smothered mild, my favorite. And then Mama got the tacos, steak tacos. And what'd you get, Alex?
I got a pork burrito.
You get smothered green?
Yeah, green sauce.
Oh, I love the green sauce. And then Nadia, what'd you get? Oh yeah, the quesadilla.
I got the same thing but with red.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the first time Alex and I went to Cafe Rio together, she got a quesadilla. I remember that. Ooh, looks good.
With the beans inside.
Yeah, with the
instead of
beans,
meat.
yep. Okay guys, it is the next day. We played a game of Scrabble last night, but we paused it. After dinner, we had Cafe Rio, and then the van is emptied. Did some work yesterday, so heading back to work today. Momma Yoshi's hanging out with Alex, and we go home tomorrow. So it's been a fun trip, and I'll record when I can later on after I work. Okay, we're having dinner. Alex made a teriyaki chicken. She cooked on the barbecue, rice, and these veggies. You might recognize these veggies. We have these at home. We love these veggies. And then we use the sauce too. This is like healthy, like, what would you call this? Like teriyaki sauce? Yeah, teriyaki sauce. So if you never tried these, you guys, it's so good. Yeah, we like this brand. We have that. And then she says this is like a soy sauce.
Yeah, it's like soy sauce.
Yummy. Okay, let's see how you do it. Seaweed? She loves this. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! That was hilarious! Oh my gosh! Wait! Oh, Archie got it. He wants it. They all like it?
Yeah, here, we'll give her
She
it
eats it
again.
like corn.
Yeah, like, here. You want it again, buddy?
Let's see. Let's see.
Come here.
Let's see.
Isn't it
Mince.
funny? Here's Archie.
Mince like it? Aw, Archie looks so sweet. He's soft.
Mince
Let's see, Mince.
isn't really the best at eating this.
Look at Vince. Aw, he tried. He got a little mouth. Aw. Let's see, Creamy. It's just Clover that does
She
that.
loves them.
Oh my gosh. She loves
Here,
seaweed.
Clover, I get another one? You want another one?
That's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, we got this. I don't know if you guys recognize this. This is the tiramisu that I had last year, and we got it again at the Sam's Club. And we're gonna finish our game of Scrabble.
Yep. Archie.
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 So good. The best tiramisu. Okay, you guys, it's our last morning here. We're having breakfast, and look at Archie.
Mm-hmm. Here it is.
He wants breakfast. He wants breakfast, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So cute. The other cuties here. There they are. There you are. Clover. Let's see. Clover over here. Let's see, Clover. Now Archie wants it. Oh my gosh, Archie copies Clover. Oh, look at Mince.
Mince thinks he wants it, but
He acts like he wants it and then he gets scared. Let's see, Clover. Get it, Clover. Get it, Clover. They love it. Oh my gosh. Oh! Oh my gosh. He's trying to get the hose. Look at. Oh my gosh. You guys are funny. Look at Mince over there. So cute. Okay, so we're on our way home. We're in Yuma, and I had to surprise baby Yoshi. She doesn't know I'm bringing home some kneaders. You guys have watched our vlogs in the past, you know it's her favorite, and we don't have it in San Diego. So right now, it's the state line of Arizona and California, and so yes, surprise her. I got my brother a couple cookies, so we'll turn around because we are almost. Yes, we had a great week, huh? You had a good time?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, we had a good time in Arizona. I worked a couple days. It was really good to spend time with my bestie and my sister and the dog. We saw a lot of dogs. We love the doggies. So yeah, we got in and out. We just ate and we're heading home. So thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. You know, it's a quick trip to Arizona. I'm going to be doing more trips to Arizona. So let me know if I should keep continuing these vlogs. We appreciate you guys watching. Hit the like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, or share us out. We'll be seeing you on the next one. Love you guys. Bye. Bye.